Can I set up two-factor authentication for my Xbox Live account?
Hello everyone! Today we're going to learn about an important step to help secure your Xbox Live account, setting up two-factor authentication. Implementing this feature adds an extra layer of security to your account, ensuring you're the only person who can access it, even if someone knows your password. So let's get started.
What is two-factor authentication?
Before we dive into the process, let's briefly talk about two-factor authentication, often referred to as 2FA. It's a security method that requires you to provide two different types of information to verify your identity. Usually, this is something you know, like your password, and something you have, like a special code sent to your phone or email. It makes it much harder for anyone who isn't you to access your account.
Enabling 2FA on your Microsoft account.
Setting up two-factor authentication for Xbox Live actually involves setting it up on your Microsoft account, as your Xbox Live account is part of that. Here are the steps. 1. Sign into your Microsoft account. Go to the Microsoft website and sign into your account. 2. Access your security settings. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account settings, then find and click on Security. 3. Find the 2FA setting. In the security settings, look for the section labeled Two-Step Verification or Two-Factor Authentication. 4. Start the setup process. Click on Set up Two-Step Verification to begin. The site will guide you through the process. 5. Verify your identity. You'll be asked to verify your identity through a secondary email or phone number. A code will be sent to whichever option you choose, which you'll then enter on the site to confirm your identity. 6. Finish the setup. Follow the remaining prompts to finish setting up 2FA. This may include choosing an app password for certain devices. Remember, once you've set up two-factor authentication on your Microsoft account, it'll be active for all associated services, including Xbox Live.
Using 2FA on Xbox Live.
With 2FA enabled, every time you sign into your Xbox Live account on a new console or device, you'll be prompted to enter a second form of authentication along with your password. This is usually a code sent to your phone or email. Do not share these codes with anyone. They are like temporary passwords. If you receive a verification code without requesting one, it's likely that someone is trying to access your account and you should change your password immediately. And that's it. With two-factor authentication enabled, your Xbox Live account will have an added layer of security. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry, and taking this extra step can help protect your account from unauthorized access. We hope this video has been helpful, and happy gaming!